Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Xspectar token. Now Mexc Global just announced that there is a trade mining prize pool event going on right now for this token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their official webpage, first of all, is Xspectar.com. Now, it doesn't seem to work for some reason in Chrome, and that happens with about 1 in 10 crypto pages. But if you do open it up in Microsoft Edge or a different browser, maybe they usually seem to work that way. So first of all, that's how you would open their web page. Yes, it works in Microsoft Edge. I don't know why that happens on Chrome, but it does. So they do have their own Twitter at Xspectar. 59,100 Twitter followers, so a very well-established project. They have a gold check mark on Twitter. It says trademarked, everything on here. 10,300 tweets. It says the world's most engaging ecosystem. Metaverse, UE5, token, NFT art, real estate in real-life events, gaming, VR, marketplace, XRPL, and then it has a founder link to their Twitter at xpunkds. You can check that out. They have a full link tree on here that you can check out at linktree/Xspectar NFT. They joined on Twitter in February 2022, so this project is about a year old, but they just started a new trading event. It had 1 hour ago. They posted about this on Mexc Global's Twitter, which you could find at Mexc_global. It says, to thank the Xspectar community for their support, the Xspectar team is launching a trading mining event on Mexc Global. Prize pool 815,865 Xspectar tokens. And event period goes from February 24th all the way to February 26th. And you can check out the details on Mexc Global's Twitter. Very cool. So if you're looking to get this token, first of all, it is listed on Mexc Global. So all you'd have to do, well, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there in the description box. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search Xspectar, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, and then you can get involved with this trade mining event as well. Now, you might need some MX tokens to do the trade mining event. I'm not sure. I didn't read the details yet, but that's basically how you get the token. And then MX tokens are Mexc Global's tokens as well. So if you're interested in those as well, that is on Mexc Global. So if you go to their webpage, Xspectar.com, they have sections about their Metaverse, marketplace, frequently asked questions. You can actually sign in, create an account. They have an XS lock on here. It says lock your tokens in our XS lock rewards program. So it says, agents, welcome to the virtual realm. Your virtual identity awaits you. Step into a new world of infinite opportunities. Our Metaverse, your world. The Metaverse is the next frontier of human innovation. It's revolutionizing how we socialize, how we network, how we build communities. It's changing everything. And at Xspectar, we're ahead of the curve. Our expert team is building the world's most immersive metaverse. How? By developing the most innovative technology out there today. And why? To realize our vision, to create an exclusive Xspectar community to give our agents the power to navigate this new exciting space. Come in and find out more. So you can click on enter and it'll take you inside wherever that goes. They also have a light paper on here. Let me see if that is the same as the white paper actually. So that looks like it's the same as the same as the white paper. It just says light paper for some reason. But so their white paper, let's see what's on their white paper. So they have Tokenomics, Xspectar ecosystem, roadmap, and milestones. So let's check out the roadmap here. So on their roadmap, starts with their XS Marketplace Live, launch of XS Community Halt Episode 1 Metaverse, presenting the design and map of Metaverse land, XS land sales. So they have land NFTs, just like Sandbox does, or Decentraland. Collabs with other projects, Xspectar in real-life community events during NFT Miami Week 2023. And then adding additional chains to the marketplace, avatar software beta, early access, forming new strategic partnerships, building the metaverse, implementing avatars into the metaverse, fiat on-ramp, customize XS units. Then Q3 this year, we're going to have merchandise come out. Xspectar in real life event in Dubai, development of the Xspectar app. And then more stuff to come in the future. So they have lots of things coming out still. They're working on a lot of things here now. The Xspectar token specifically, let's go over that. So it says, at the time of writing, we have a circulating 40% of the token supply, giving a fully diluted market cap of $4.3 million. We currently have over 5,000 plus token holders and approximately 10,000 trust lines. A key that allows agents to receive, send, and hold the Xspectar token on XRP. So initial token allocation is on here. It says 10% goes to founders and teams, 5% giveaways, 10% marketing, 10% operation and developments, 10% strategic partnerships, 55% SHO and IDO. And they have, a lot of giveaway tokens there. That's cool. Total supply, it says 88,888,888 tokens, and it says black hold accounts. So those have been black hold, actually. That's not the total supply. Those are total black hold tokens. And then they have information about their wallets, so you can check out the different wallet addresses on there, public offering info, all sorts of stuff. Now, they have updated token allocation on here, so they're constantly updating what they're doing with the tokens. And besides that, you can meet their team, it says, on their white paper as well. So they have a whole team section on there, all sorts of info on here. So check it all out, xspectar.com. And like I said, you can find a new trade mining event on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.